author of the world's best-selling nutritional book, The Vitamin Bible, and dozens of other bestsellers sold in 54 countries, Dr. Earl Mindell has dedicated his life's work to researching natural remedies and compounds from around the world and bringing his message of natural healing to tens of millions of people. Appearing on over 300 radio and television programs each year and featured in dozens of newspapers and magazines, including the USA Today, the Wall Street Journal, and Biography magazine. Dr. Mindell is world-renowned as the father of the nutritional revolution. In 1995, his research led him to the most magical, mystical place on Earth, the Himalayas.
I was first introduced to goji in 1995 by a soft-spoken but highly regarded Chinese herbalist. This gifted man shared with me the extraordinary story of the goji berry, its use in traditional Himalayan medicine for thousands of years, and its seemingly unlimited health benefits. At that meeting, I recognized that this virtually unknown plant could be the most important health discovery that I have seen in over 40 years. I vowed to my Chinese friend that I would study this miraculous berry to attempt to unlock its secrets.
And so, the initial research began. Just as he had done countless times before, Dr. Mindell now put this tiny berry under the rigorous scrutiny of scientific inspection. The world's leading nutritionists set out to determine if there was any solid scientific evidence proving that the goji berry really did what the Himalayans claimed it did.
I almost couldn't believe my eyes. Not only was there an enormous amount written about goji in the ancient Himalayan and Asian medical texts, but it turned out that modern science had validated exactly what the Himalayan healers had said about goji. The published scientific research on the goji berry was truly extraordinary. I became obsessed with the mystery of goji. I knew that the last 40 years of my life had been a testing ground to see if I was ready for the ultimate nutritional discovery, the one that would make a bigger impact on the health of the world than all others. I vowed to my Chinese friend that I would share this gift from the Himalayas with people all over the world.
Teaming up with Free Life International, Dr. Mindell's incredible journey began. Exhaustively traveling throughout the world and working with scientists based on 3 continents, he came closer and closer to discovering the mystery of the goji berry. Dr. Mindell discovered that not all gojis are created equal. There are over 41 varieties in Tibet alone. This would require him to exhaustively analyze the dozens of varieties to find the descendants of the one true goji, the one that had been discovered by the early Himalayan healers, and which, from ancient times, had been praised in legend. Dr. Mindell's big breakthrough came when he began to analyze the goji at its molecular level. In the same way that human fingerprints can be used to distinguish one person from all the others on the planet, a spectrometer can detect even subtle differences between plants at the molecular level. This technique results in the generation of a graph, a unique fingerprint for whatever is being tested, a spectral signature.
A spectral signature is a graph created using a spectrometer, a scientific device that can detect even subtle differences at a molecular level and produce a unique fingerprint for whatever is being tested.
Finally, after 8 years of research, Dr. Mindell discovered the fingerprint of the goji that originated in the Himalayas and its very unique spectral signature. This important find would enable Dr. Mendel to harvest only those berries that contained this unique spectral signature. Goji of Himalayan quality exhibits a perfectly balanced and potent polysaccharide profile. These are called the master molecules. Synergized together, the 4 master molecules command and control many of the body's most important biochemical defense systems and are of great importance to the smooth functioning of virtually every cell in the human body. The mystery of the Goji had finally been solved. Now, for the first time in history, the full potency of the Goji of Himalayan origin is available to the world.